So my name is Andy Temesveri. I'm co-founder of Mambino Organics. General job duties are from an operational aspect. Receiving of everything that's coming into the building, from raw ingredients to all the components, all your bottles, labels, caps, things of that nature, to the actual production. So when the products are being manufactured and coated and labeled and sealed, we do quality control all the way along the way. So we're in the thick of it every single day, just to make sure that what we're sending out is what we expect it to be. There are no chemicals in our products whatsoever. We always say there's not one drop of yuck in any Mambino Organics product. If our core message has always been to be good and do good, we will never compromise in what goes into the bottle and what goes onto an expectant mother or onto a newborn child's body.